Hello friend, today we are going to solve question number 10 from Pythagoras theorem, exercise 16. So question is, in the given figure, angle ADB equal to 90 degree, AC equal to AB equal to 26 centimeter and BD equal to DC. If the length of AD equal to 24 centimeter, find the length of BC. So in this given figure, see, angle ADB means angle ADB. This angle is 90 degree, and AC is this perpendicular. AC is equal to AB 26 centimeter. So AC is 26 centimeter. So AB is also 26 centimeter. And BD equal to DC. BD equal to DC. This two is equal. If the length of AD is 24, AD this is 24 centimeter. Find the length of BC. So we have to find the length BC. So let's solve this question. So first of all given. So here given triangle ABC ADB equal to 90 degree, AC equal to AB equal to 26 centimeter and BD equal to DC and AD equal to 24 centimeter. So this is given. Now we have to find the length of BC. Here a triangle ABC, here AB is a perpendicular and two triangles we can see here, ADB and ADC. You can take any one of the right angle triangle. So we are going to take ADB. So in triangle ADB, we are going to take ADB. Here D is 90 degree. So it is right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse here AB. So we will write here AB square equal to perpendicular is this one AD. So we will write here AD square plus base is BD. So BD square. Now we will write the values. So AB is 26. We will write here 26 centimeter. 26 square equal to AD. AD here 24. So we will write here 24 square plus BD is not given. We have to find out BD. So BD as it is, BD square. Now bring this part to left side and this 26 to right side. So it will be 24 square plus BD square equal to 26 square. Now bring this 24 to right side, it will become minus. So here BD square equal to 26 square minus 24 square. So we get BD square equal to 26 square minus 24. Now we will write the square of 26 and square of 24. So here BD square equal to 676. Square of 26 is 676 and square of 24 is 576. So we'll write here 576. Now subtract 576 from 676, we get BD square equal to 100, and by squaring both sides we get BD equal to root 100, that is root 10 into 10, and BD equal to 10 centimeter. So here we get BD equal to 10 centimeter. Now this is not the answer, we have to find the length of BC, but we get BD. So here BC is equal to BD plus DC. So here therefore BC equal to BD plus DC, because BD is equal to DC. So BD plus DC. Here BD is 10 centimeter and DC is also 10 centimeter. Add it, you get 20 centimeter. So this is the answer. So BC equal to 20 centimeter. Hope it's clear. Question number 11. So in the given figure, AD 13 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter, AB 3 centimeter, and angle ACD equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Find the length of DC. So in given figure, you can see here AD is 13 centimeter. AD means this one. This is 13 centimeter. BC means this 12 centimeter. AB is this one is 3 centimeter, and angle ACD this angle equal to angle ABC this angle. This C angle and B angle is equal 90 degree. Find the length of DC. So we have to find the length of this side. So in this given figure, we can see that here two triangles ACD and angle ABC, and C and B is 90 degree. And first of all, we will solve angle ABC so that we can get this AC value. So we will solve first of all angle ABC. So given angle ACD is equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. AB equal to 13 centimeter. BC equal to 12 centimeter. AB equal to 3 centimeter. So now we will solve this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, B is the right angle. So right angle at vertex B. So in triangle ABC, right angle at vertex B. Now here AB equal to 3 centimeter and BC equal to 12 centimeter is given. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here hypotenuse is this AC, and in this figure AC is common to both the triangle, both the right angle triangle. So AC is the hypotenuse. We write here AC square. Perpendicular we will mark at AB is perpendicular, and base is this 12. That is BC. BC square. Now we will write the values. AC is not given. We have to find AC. So AC as it is. AB is 3. So we will write here 3 square. BC is 12. So we will write here 12 square. Now we will write the square of 3 and 12. So AC square equal to square of 3 is 9 and square of 12 is 144. Now we will add these two. We get AC square equal to 153. After adding we get 153. Now square both sides. So we get AC equal to root 153. So root 153, there is no perfect square root of 153. So we will use this value to AC to solve DC. So now we will solve DC. So here AC is root 153 centimeter. Now in triangle, again we write in triangle is ACD. ACD, right angle at vertex C. So here according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here hypotenuse is this AD. So we write here AD square. Perpendicular is this BC. So we write here CD square plus base is AC. So we write here AC square. Now we will write the value AD. AD, this one 13 square equal to CD. CD is not given. We have to find CD. So CD square as it is plus AC. AC is this value we will write. AC equal to root 153. We will write here root 153 square. Now bring this part to left side and 13 to right side. So CD square plus root 153 square equal to 13 square. Now we will bring this 153 root 153 square to right side, so it become minus. So CD square equal to 13 square equal to minus 13 square minus root 153 square. Now we will write the square. So square of 13 is 169 and square of root 153 is 153. So here it will be 153 163. Now subtract 153 from 169. So we get CD square equal to 6 and 1, 16. So we get CD square equal to 16. Now we will square both sides. So it becomes CD equal to root 16, that is root 4 into 4. So CD equal to 4 centimeter. So this is the answer. So the length of DC or CD